Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. This week we are off for another hike, and where are we hiking, Corinne?
Well, today we're in the Kodachrome Basin State Park in Utah, and we're going to hike the Shakespeare Arch Trail and Sentinel Trail. The Shakespeare Arch died a few years ago, 2019, so we actually won't see an arch, but we'll go by the area where it once existed.
So it should be a fun day, and let's get started.
We've taken a little spur off the main trail and come out to a little photo viewpoint. This location gives you a good idea of why this is called Kodachrome Basin. The basin is a drainage area where all the rainfall and snow melt from the surrounding hills drains into the lower areas here, and then it continues and drains into the Paria River, which goes south and eventually joins up with the Colorado River. You can see the high hills back there with the bright red and yellow. Lovely viewpoint with lots of junipers and a few little pine trees here. This park sign is a photo of what the Shakespeare Arch used to look like. It isn't there any longer. Natural erosion caused it to fall in the spring of 2019. No one was here to witness it breaking, but it was probably during a heavy rainstorm. Up there is probably where the original Shakespeare Arch was. You can see the point of rock on the left, just silhouetted against the sky, and a short chasm behind it. And down below here, we have a pine tree, and there's quite a lot of large boulder and rubble in behind it. Probably the remnants of the arch pieces. We're now on the south side of the trail, Shakespeare Arch and Sentinel Trail. I believe this spire here is the Sentinel, and it's known as a sandpipe. I think that's why it's the whiter color versus just the red spires.
The south side of the trail got very, very windy, and it actually got hard to actually walk on the trail. So we put the video camera away, but we did stop and take a few iPhone pictures along the way, and here they are. My goodness, that was a windy trail.
Yeah, we didn't stop too many times after we went by the Sentinel spire. It got quite windy. We actually avoided one of the panorama viewpoints just because it was too far exposed.
Yeah, actually there's several points where Corinne and I were just getting blown right off the trail. And even as we're recording this, there are big plumes of sand and dust blowing by us as the wind just howls.
But we enjoyed the trail. It was about 1.6 miles. We didn't do the slick rock cutoff. We just did the circumnavigation of the hillside and spires.
Yeah, I highly recommend the trail. It's a gorgeous trail, especially if you want a short, moderately vigorous hike.
Yeah, and I think the slick rock gets more aggressive, higher impact. So if you just want a fairly easy one, stick to the outer loop.
We sure hope you enjoyed this video today as we bring it to an end. And if you did enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up.
And if you'd like to see more of our videos, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below.
And as always, we're releasing a lot more videos these days. So if you want to know when we release the videos, hit that little bell button.
And we love to hear your questions and comments, so just put a thought down in the comment section below and we'll be sure to address it as soon as we can.
And until next time, it's time to get out of the wind. Bye for now.
Bye for now.